YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is BA Life-Adelic. And I don't know if you've been keeping up with current events, but it's La Nina! There's gonna be a snowpocalypse inbound. So we're headed to my daughter's house and we're gonna do a winter prep for her car. So check it out. This is my daughter, Devry. We're going to do a badass winter prep on her Chevy Malibu.
Thank you.
So, we got our bag of goodies. We're going to get started with the winter prep. We're going to start cleaning the inside of this windshield. We've got our magic eraser. Here we go. There it is. Alright, use a little WD-40, clean these wiper blades. Ugh. The horn works. Does the driver?
Yes, and I've maintained full-time employment since 2006, and I'm currently a quality safety manager.
Let's check out the lights. Lenses look good, nice and clear. No cracks. Nice and clear. Check on the rear. No cracks. No cracks. Looking good. Let's see if they work. Let's check these tires. Looking good on the outside. No dry rot, sidewalls, no cracks. Tread looks good. Now, I know these tires are less than a year old, so I know they're going to be good on the tread. Also, they're all season. We're going to do the quarter check. As long as that tread depth is past the head on that quarter, you're looking good. Oh yeah. Looking good. Like I say, I know these are less than a year old. Tires are looking good. Let's check out under the hood. So again, we'll check the oil, check the level of our fluids. I don't see the washer. Aha, washer's here. Check all these. This battery, we don't need to run and check it because I know this battery is just about maybe a little under a year old. It was just replaced not too long ago. Alright, let's get this oil. Alright, level looks good. It's a little dirty. Probably stand to get changed. But it's good for now. Smells like coolant. Looking good. Washer fluid. Probably stand to get a little bit in there. I can't see where the level is. We'll top that off. I'm gonna look at the belt. Take a look down there, and the belt. It's a little hard to see down here. Looks all right. Not seeing any wear. Otherwise, stuff looking good. Ready for the road. So we run this through an automated car wash, so we know it's washed. We can do that because that's nice and slick. Doesn't have all that stuff sticking out like on the badass truck. So it's already washed. We're going right to the wax. let's check out the roadside emergency kit. I got this triangle. I got it at an estate sale, half price. It was $3. This is $1.50. So we got that. Boom. We got the LED road flare. Flashy, flashy. Bunch of different patterns. That one's pretty cool. Solid red. That flashlight is pretty bright. Now, there's a couple ways you could use it. You can magnet on a piece of metal on your car, or I came up with this idea. We can put it right on the triangle. And Bob's your uncle. So, we're going to add this knife, because you never know when you're going to need to cut something. And we got this here flashlight, magnetic work light. Has a magnet on the bottom. You can stick it someplace if you need some light. It's pretty bright illumination. Check it out. Got that from the Harbor Freight. So, and then we've got some jumper cables to run out of battery. But like I said, this battery I think is less than a year old, so it should be pretty well over this winter. We're not going to put any tools in there because not a whole bunch you can do with this car on the side of the road. So if you had some tools in here, it might make you think that you could actually do something, and that could probably be worse than what the actual problem is. So there we go. That's a wrap on this winter prep. She's getting the keys back.
Thank you.
All right, there you go. Another winter prep. Another car ready for the winter Armageddon. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Like and subscribe.